Hi everyone, I hope you're doing wonderful. We are going to do a wreath for Christmas. This is going to be a Mackenzie Childs inspired wreath. You can see I have my red jingle bells, some little pom-poms. These aren't necessarily going on this wreath. There is the ribbon that I made. I think I made that for Easter time, and I'm just going to recycle that and use it for my Christmas. And I was going to do a haul, and I didn't, but I got this from Michael's, and it was $3.99, and it's a nice garland. I also got some picks, and those are from Walmart. I don't know what I'm going to put on this wreath yet. I mean, as far as the picks. Then I got this wreath from Michael's also, and this was $3.99. Good deal, huh, for $3.99, and that's an 18-inch. But I just wanted to use the grapevine wreath again and recycle it. So I'm going to take off the packaging of this, and I'm going to start wrapping it around the grapevine. I just didn't want to buy another wreath because the wreaths that I saw were like $25, $30, $50, $60. I don't want to spend that. And this way, I can take everything off and use the grapevine wreath again. I mean, it's starting to have seen better days, but I think I'll continue to use it for a little bit longer, and then I'll get another grapevine wreath. The reason I like the grapevine wreath so much is because you can put the picks inside of the grapevine and they'll stay. So there's not too much gluing that you have to do with it. Okay, so now I'm just taking some of the garland and fluffing it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep winding it around. And then once I have it completely wound where I want it, I'll be able to start putting the pick. All right, so I have the garland wrapped around it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of my picks in that I already have in my family room, so it all kind of is cohesive. But these are big picks, and these are from Hobby Lobby. I did not buy these this year. These picks I had from last year, and the grapevine wreath I've had for quite a few years. So this is going to be a very inexpensive DIY because I have most of the stuff that I need. Okay, so I think I'll put one more pick. So what do you think so far? Not too shabby for a grapevine wreath that I've had for quite a few different DIYs. I'm going to add a little bit of more red with these jingle bells that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I've had those too. I just think that's really going to add something to it. Okay, so I'm going to go and I'm going to let you watch this because it's almost done, but I'll put a little bit of music to it.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Okay, so there's one more thing I want to add that it needs. So I'm going to be having it this way. So it's going to be more oblong, but going sideways. We need to add the hat I made last year from Dollar Tree, and then I embellished with the Snow-Tex and the little snowflake and some holly. So we're going to stick him right here. Nestle him into this area. And when I get him fixed, okay, and I'm going to add a little bit something here, I'll go over and show you where it's going to go. Okay guys, it's done and it's on the wall. And what I did, I had to glue the hat that we made last year with the Dollar Tree hat, and I did it Mackenzie Childs. I had to glue a little bit of it onto the garland, which is no big deal. So I'll be able to use this grapevine wreath again. So here's the bow that I made, and I think I did this bow for Easter, I think. And that's just with the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. The picks are from Hobby Lobby. And the garland from Michael's, it was $3.99. The picks I've had since last year. So this wreath cost me $3.99, $3.99 to make. Get out your grapevine wreath. If you have a grapevine wreath, go get some garland from Michael's. It's a nice garland, it really is. And I think, I'm not sure, but I don't know if they have these hats this year or not. But probably a lot of you might have gotten them last year. But it will go with the theme of my family room, and you'll see that in my Christmas home tour. Guys, I hope that you like this. Remember, don't ever forget it. The world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Happy crafting, guys. Bye.